Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use a terminal command to open up the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the terminal command prompt as well as the numbers application, which is all built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt. Open up the command prompt. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window. Full screen. Command plus to increase the text size on screen. Let's now do ls, which will give us a list of all the folders in the home directory. If I now do cd applications, ls within that, as you can see, that is an empty folder. If I now go back one, change directory, let's go back two directories, // which will take us into the Macintosh hard drive. If I now do ls, we will now change directory into applications, cd applications, tab, enter, ls, and there we have all the applications. We will now open up the numbers application. Enter, and now the numbers application has opened up on screen. Let's now quit terminal. And there we have it. We can also quit numbers. Let's now finalize the video. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Find application. If I were to go into the Computer Science Videos folder, as you can see, applications is empty. If I now go back to, let's just say, Macintosh HD, there we have the applications. And that's how we navigated into this directory and open up the numbers application. There we go. So we can now quit Finder. That's the last of this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.